Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Franklin Town Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me. At 3 Movers, we excel at local moves within Franklin Town by providing efficient and reliable moving services. Our experienced Franklin Town local TM movers are well-versed in the city, enabling us to navigate the area smoothly and ensure a seamless moving experience for our customers. We carefully plan and execute each local move with meticulous attention to detail. Our process begins with a detailed assessment of the move, considering factors such as distance, size, and specific requirements. We then create a comprehensive moving plan that includes packing, loading, transportation, and unloading. Our skilled team of movers is trained in handling long-distance moves with expertise and care. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Franklin Town moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.